I think that the biggest lesson I learned were, I guess, using keywords: persistence, determination, lots of patience, and flexibility. Especially with the IRB process, and if you're doing primary data collection, you really need to be patient and persistent with it because you're going to get a lot of pushback if things, for example, like survey design or other components of your application are not done correctly. You have to redo it or get more information like IRB letters from host institutions, or if your mentor is at a different university, you also have to be prepared for their IRB as well. And so based on that, I would say that the lessons learned for the student is to make sure that when you design your proposal that you start the IRB very early on, and that you're always in frequent contact and communication with your mentor at the US as well as the host country, so that you're both communicating fairly often with it and there are no gaps. Otherwise you're going to be in a world of hurt, I think, with the IRB process. But other than that, the experience in Vietnam was a wonderful opportunity, not only to develop trust with the host institution and learning about the culture and the people, because they're a very welcoming society, and the researchers there are very dedicated to the work that they do and very caring about it, and they latch on to people who are enthusiastic along with them. And if you can show them and build trust with them, it'll go a long way in terms of getting the research that you need done, but also helping them with their pursuits as well. I would encourage you to apply to the CESP program, because if you have any interest in cancer epidemiology or are interested in learning about it and global health in general, that it's a particularly great opportunity to learn about what it's like to practice cancer epidemiology abroad and the challenges with getting host approval and designing a project that is meaningful and that will help the population that may not be something that you are familiar with, and is going to push you your boundaries in terms of your comfort zone and learning about the culture and the people and the language. And I think it's just a great opportunity to stretch yourself, and if you're interested in cancer epidemiology or learning more about it, then it's the perfect program.